Hi guys, it's Iris and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you what I have in my carry-on bag for my trip to Thailand, because we're going in 2 days and I'm really excited about that. So I'm just quickly showing you what I have in my carry-on bag. And yeah, let's just start it. This is my carry-on bag. It's a Fjällraven Kånken. And I already have it for 2 years now, and I used it for most of my trips. As you can see here, it's very dirty and it's very used, but yeah, that's what I use it for, so it's okay. And I also am not throwing this in the washing machine because it's a waterproof bag, and when you put this in the washing machine it will not be waterproof anymore, so that's why. But yeah, it's very useful and you can fit in so many things in this little bag right here. And yeah, it's just a backpack, so you can wear it on your back. But yeah, it's very useful, and yeah, I've used it for 2 years now, and I think I will still use it for a couple of years because it's just, yeah, so handy, so convenient. And I really like the color because I have a lot of blue clothing, so this will fit right in there. But yeah, I'm showing you what I have in my carry-on bag. So let's open this up right here. Okay, so first of all, I have my beads right here, and these are very old beads. These are from, I think, 2014 or 2015, and these are just the regular model from that year with just a cord. Of course, it's not wireless. I really want wireless headphones, but they're just so expensive, and these are still working, and wireless headphones are on my wish list for next year. So yeah, this is numero uno. That's in my bag. I will put it on my nightstand right here. Then I will show you my beauty pouch, because we have a 12-hour long flight. Yeah, that's a lot. That's I can't handle. When I mentally think of that, I'm like, oh my god, how am I going to survive this? But fortunately it is a night flight, so we will board at like 6 o'clock in the evening. So we have dinner, and then I can remove my makeup with this pouch. I can put on some cream and some night mask, and then hopefully I can go to sleep. So that would be ideal. But I will show you what's in this pouch right here. I have some bio oil gel cream, and it's very convenient for like dry skin or anything, or just it's for all over your body, and it's always convenient to have. I have my night mask, and it's from Origins, and it's the drink up mask, and I really love this, and the smell is so good. It's like orange mango, I think, but the smell is so good. And of course I have some makeup remover. I will also have some cotton pads, of course. Some hand cream. It's always nice to have in your little beauty pouch right here. Deodorant. And this is hand sanitizer. I think that's also very useful to have, and this is with aloe vera, so your hands won't dry out that easily. And I have some Rituals body mist, so if you feel like you're smelly or anything, because you can feel like that when you have a 12-hour long flight, you can just spray yourself with some body mist from Rituals, and this is a very nice scent. And then I have some Moroccan oil for in my hair, so that my hair won't dry out. I have, of course, some toilet seat covers, because I have mysophobia, so there you go. And these are just wipes, feminine wipes, and of course some lip balm. and I also like to have an eye cream. So that's all in there, so I'll put it right back. So that was my beauty pouch. Continuing, I of course have a neck pillow, and I folded it up, but you can, whoop. And then you have this great neck pillow, and I actually got this from Flying Tiger. Very nice, and you can, like, when you move it this side, you can lock it right here so that it won't move into place. Oh, that looks very stupid on camera, I think. I look like a fatty, but you can rest. It's very comfortable, and I like it that you can just easily move this piece around and that you can roll it in there so it doesn't take in too much space. And you just click it, boop, and it's way smaller. So that's what I really like. And of course you can't miss this on a 12-hour flight. Even though you're not using it as like a neck pillow, you can use it as like a little stuffed animal or something, or just your little pillow or anything like that. You can use it in very different ways. So yeah, I just like to have that. I like to make myself comfortable while I sleep. In a plane. Okay, next I have some facial cleaning wipes. It's always nice to have, and me and my boyfriend really like just to freshen ourselves up, and this is really nice to have, like these kinds of cleaning wipes just for your face. There's no alcohol in it, so it won't dry your face out, and yeah, it's just to freshen yourself up. Then I'm really happy about this. This is my new iPhone case, and I will quickly put my iPhone in there. So I will remove the old case and I will put in the new, put over the new case. So it looks like this, and it's from Xxxx, and I really like it because it's like this necklace case, so you can really just put it around your neck, or like this as a crossbody bag, and you really are wearing your phone like an accessory. And it's so nice to have this when you're on the airport or when you're on the airplane, that you always have your phone right on you and that you don't have to search in your bag or anything like that. You just have it hanging there as like your necklace or your crossbody bag. So that's what I really like, and I also really like the design of this case. It's a very pretty case, and yeah, you have all kinds of colors on this cord. So I chose the black one because they also have like slightly red or slightly blue, but I wasn't sure if that would go with all my outfits, and with black you never can go wrong, so that's why I chose black. But I also really like all the colors they have, and yeah, it's just very convenient for me to have when I go on a trip like this. So I also have this in my bag right here, not in my bag because when I will be on the airport I will have it around me, but you know what I mean. For now I have it in my bag. And of course I have a book, and this is Stranger Things book, and I have to say I really love it so far, because this goes into what happened before the series. And on the cover it says, before the Demogorgon, before the Mind Flayer, terror wore a human face. So yeah, it's really thrilling and I really like this. And I already told you in my reading video, I made a video with all the books I'm reading in 2019. I already told you, like, I really like to read some fiction when I am on a holiday, because otherwise I get too motivated when I read like self-help books or like businesswoman books or anything like that. I always like just to read fiction on my holidays, on my vacation. So that's why I took this with me, and I already started in it. I also have just a little notebook for when you have some notes to make. Always comes in handy. And with that I also have, of course, a pencil, because I always need one in the plane when they come with like forms you have to fill in, and I'm like, I don't have a pencil, does anyone have a pencil? Or yeah, something like that. So that's why I got a pen. Got a pen right here. Of course, my iPhone charger, always handy to have. And I have this little thing right here. It's from AliExpress. I bought it because in this way your charger won't break that easily. So that's very handy. And it's very cute, of course. And I got a power bank, because it's always handy when you travel to have a power bank, just in case, because in the airplane you mostly always have a opportunity to charge your phone. So, but it's always handy to have a power bank. And I have my earphones in this cute little case, so that they don't get like anywhere between something. And I take my Beats and my earphones with me because I have like several choices. That's really just that simple. Because sometimes when I wear my earphones too long, I get like this pain in my ears. Then I switch to my Beats. Sometimes when I wear my Beats too long, I get like pain around my ears, and then I will switch to my earphones. That's how it works. I also have this little bag right here, and this is just like for when you're not feeling well. I have like pain stillers, I have tampons, because you never know what happens with a female. I have some elastics for your hair. All has these kind of things in it, so when you're not feeling well, or just these handy little things, I always have that with me. And of course, not to forget, I have all my documents printed out, so like hotel confirmations, activity confirmations, but also domestic flights. We all printed that out and we just put it in here. Also, we made a copy of our passports, so when they need our passports or anything, we can just give them a copy, so that they don't commit any fraud with our passports or anything. So that's why we have this. It's always handy to have. And yeah, that's really it. I also always have like a, now it's still a little bit full, but usually it's empty. I always have like an empty water bottle on the side of my bag, so right here in this little pouch, so that's very convenient. And my number one tip is to always have like a set of underwear, or yeah, maybe a little set of clothing, socks, bikini, anything like that, to have that in your hand luggage. So when you're, I'm not saying that this will happen, but it could happen. So when your normal luggage just gets lost and you don't have it for the first 2 or 3 days, then you still have something to do it with. Just like your toothbrush or anything, just have it in your hand luggage, because you don't know what can go wrong, and it's just a precaution. But it's always good to like be a little bit careful with traveling and be a little bit prepared for what could happen. So I always have like a set of underwear in my hand luggage, and my toothbrush, and these little beauty products are always handy to have, because it's not only handy for in the plane, but also for, yeah, moments like that, for moments you are not prepared for, of course. So yeah, I all have that, but that's really what I have in my carry-on luggage. Oh, I'm so excited for this trip. You cannot imagine how excited I am. I spoke to my boyfriend this morning and I was like, did you know that when we're there, it's like 33 degrees? And like, he was looking at me like this, like, you're telling me this for like the 500th time. And I was like, oh, sorry. Didn't know you had a mood. Okay, so that was my video about what I do have in my carry-on luggage. Of course, on the day itself, I will also have my passport with me, and of course my wallet with all my cards in it, and my credit card and my debit card and anything like that. I will all have it with me, of course, but those are like the obvious things that you would do in your carry-on luggage. So that being said, this is the end of this video. So yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And also for those of you who are not subscribing to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. And also when you do, make sure to hit the notifications box so that you get an update on when I post a new video. And the next upcoming videos will have to do with my trip to Thailand, of course, because we're going 2 weeks and we're going several places. So I will make sure that I make several videos about that. And hopefully you are as excited as I am, because I am really excited. Yeah, but hopefully I will see you in my next video. And for those of you who are also going on a vacation, have a very nice trip and be safe. And thank you all so much for watching. See you next week. Bye bye.